Papa Success!
Okay, Brown, good morning.
Good morning. See, actually, I'm under serious pressure right now. There's a girl waiting for me at that restaurant by the roadside.
Okay.
Actually, I'm on a date.
Congrats.
But the problem is that I have 2,000 naira on me. I don't know how you're going to help me.
2,000 naira can do the job now. It's simple. You get 2 bottle water for 500. That's 1,000 for you and the girl. Then you get the girl rice and chicken 1,500. You tell her you're not hungry. Then you guys can just talk all through. That's all.
2 bottle water 1,000. Then rice and chicken 1,500.
Yes.
That is 2,500 now. And I just have 2,000 naira.
It's true. You will need extra 500.
Yes.
How do we do this now? What?
Borrow me 500 naira now.
Okay, man, I'm sorry, I don't have 500 to give you.
Papa Success, please now. Help a brother out.
See, look, Kebran, this is why I don't like having friends. Please don't ask me for money next time. I have family issues. I can't be giving out money this period.
I'll also need 500 naira for transport.
Kebran, you're not serious.
Help a brother now, please.
See, this should be the first and last time I'm borrowing you money. Take.
Thank you.
You better get a job.
Thank you, Don't worry, I'm going to tell you how the date went.
If you like, don't go and get married.
Sorry, I'm a little bit late.
It's alright, no problem.
It was because of the hold-up. It was kind of tight.
Okay, I understand.
Looks like you've eaten already.
No, I just took snacks. I'm very, very hungry. Yes.
So you're still going to eat food?
Yes, like real food. I need cooked food. Waiter!
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Are you still going to take juice?
No, water will be fine.
So, how much is water?
Water is 500 naira, sir.
Okay. So, which food would you like to eat?
Rice.
Rice? How much is rice?
It's 1,200 naira, sir.
What protein do you have?
Just chicken for now, ma.
Okay, that will be fine.
The chicken is how much?
Chicken 700 naira, sir.
What is it?
Rice and chicken 1,500.
The price is nice.
Alright.
You can go and get it.
Alright, let me just take this.
You don't care for anything.
No, I'm fine. In fact, I'm filled.
Alright, no problem.
So, how is school?
School is fine, no. Are you sure you don't want to take anything?
No, I'm fine.
Not even water?
No, I'm fine. Right now, I'm all wet inside.
But I still think you should take something, even if it's snacks.
Don't worry, it's fine.
Okay, no problem. Kebran, what is it?
No, it's nothing. Don't worry, Excuse me, I'm coming, I'll be back. Waiter, please come. Please, I want to know my bill for everything.
Total is 3,500.
3,500? How? She just took rice and chicken and water now.
Plus the yogurt and the sausage roll she took earlier.
Oh, and all I have is 2,500. Unless I will go and come back.
Well, you have to drop something so that we'll be sure that you will come back.
I'm not running away with your money now.
Oh, sorry, sir. It's the policy here.
What am I going to do now? What is it? My phone?
Or your shoe. Thank you, sir.
Wow! You are done already?
Yes.
That was so fast.
I was very, very hungry. Where is the waiter?
No,
Waiter!
don't worry. I've taken care of the bill.
You You've paid already?
Yes, I can't let you pay for food now.
You should have told me now.
Don't worry, how much is it? Let's go.
You should have told me now. The thing is that my mother owns this restaurant, so I don't pay for anything here.
Are you serious?
Yes. That was actually why I asked you to meet me here, so we can eat anything we want and have fun. Well, there's a policy here. They don't refund money, so let's just go. What is it? Are you crying?
I'm so happy. Your mom owns this place. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Ha! Joanna! Oh my God!
Hola.
Hola, Nkegikwa. How have you been?
I'm fine, no.
Now, wow, it's been a long time.
Yeah, you forgot me now.
It's not like that now. Being engaged with so many things, you know. Man's mind is always in different places, and a lot has happened. Come on, let's go inside.
No. Actually, I want us to go out.
See, right now I'm not really financially stable to start doing anything going out. I've invested in so many places, so I don't have money now.
I understand. Actually, I want to take you out.
You want to take me out? Stop that joke. It's
I'm
not
serious.
funny.
I'll take care of the bill.
You want to take me out and pay the bill?
Of course.
That doesn't happen in this part of the world. No Nigerian girl will take a guy out or go out with a guy and pay the bill. It doesn't happen
Okay, Brown,
here.
you worry too much. Just go in, get dressed so we can go out.
So I should go inside and go and dress up. You take me out.
Yeah.
I'm just going inside because he asked me to. Let it not look like I didn't do what he asked me to do.
Yeah. Just go and get dressed.
This thing, I don't understand though. It feels like a setup.
Alright, I'm waiting.
Come, this place you're dragging me to like this. I hope you remember that I told you that I don't have money.
Okay, Brown, you can worry. Relax, Joe.
My dear, this place look quite expensive. Are you really sure we are doing this?
Of course. I've told you to relax. I'll take care of you.
Okay.
Where is... Waiter! Okay, Brown. Feel free. Order anything you want.
Don't worry, I'm fine.
Good afternoon, Good afternoon. I need a plate of jollof rice and chicken.
Okay.
What do you want?
I'll do the same jollof rice and chicken.
Okay, what will you drink?
I think water will do.
Water?
Yes.
Why? Drink something.
Hi. I hope this is not a setup. Okay, get me 1 liter of exotic. Me and her will share it.
Get 1 liter exotic for me, 1 liter exotic for him.
Okay, no problem.
Thank you very much.
2 liters of exotic. I can't even finish 1 liter. And you're ordering 2.
Seriously, you have to calm down. I've told you, relax.
Hey, this food look quite expensive.
I know, just enjoy it. Wow, thank you.
But wait though, have you asked the price of this food?
I said whatever it is, I'll take care of it. Okay, Brown, you worry too much. Just eat your food, okay?
You know that this lockdown has made a lot of things increase in their prices. This might not be the price you used to know. These people, they can really surprise you.
Don't worry, relax and eat. It's getting cold.
I don't like this idea.
Oh my god. There's somebody I have to meet now. I might be leaving you soon.
Kai, I said it. This thing is a setup. Thank God I've not even eaten my own. I'll just pay for her own and return my own.
Waiter! I'm so sorry. I have to go right now. You know what? I promise to do this again. I'll make it up to you.
Yes, ma, you called.
Yeah, please can you serve the bill?
Your bill is 30,000.
30,000 for food.
Relax. Please, can you give me an account number so I can make a transfer?
Sure.
Okay, it's done.
Okay.
I'm so sorry, K Brown. I hope we can do this again. I'll see you some other time.
Wait, you actually paid the bill?
Of course. Your food is getting cold.
K Brown! K Brown! Huh? Wake up and go inside if you want to sleep. Can't you see the sun?
Hey, was I dreaming? Hey, I knew it! I knew this can never be real. I knew that this... no, it's too good to be true.
What is too good to be true? What is it?
It was strong in my spirit that I knew it.
Brown, good afternoon.
Hey, Jonah, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How have you been? It's been a long time.
I'm fine. You forgot me now.
No, it's not like that now. You know, a man has been thinking a whole lot of stuffs now. But don't worry, let's go inside.
No. Actually, I want us to go out.
Excuse me. Bisten, come. Bisten, do you know that I had a dream where a girl took me out and she paid the bill?
A girl
Yes.
took you out. It's like you have malaria. How will a girl take you out and pay the bills? In this country, Nigeria.
Okay, let me shock you. The girl I'm talking about is this my girlfriend Joanna, and she's putting on exactly the same clothes that she was wearing in the dream.
Are you serious?
Now she has asked me that we should go out.
Are you
The
serious?
same way she said it in the dream.
Hey, K Brown, this is no longer a dream. This is a vision. You are now a vision bearer. You are gifted. You see this opportunity? You have to seize it immediately. You know now. Native sense.
Is everything okay?
No, everything is fine.
So what are you saying now? Go inside and get dressed.
Yes, I'll go inside now and dress up. Just give me a second. Bisten, go inside and go and dress up so you follow us and go out.
But I don't want to spoil.
Don't worry, I want you to partake in this vision. Go
Eh.
inside and go and dress.
Okay, I'm coming.
Hey, I even saw these two cars in my dream too.
Are you
It's just that the
serious?
other one was this side, the other one was the other side. But it doesn't really matter. Both of them are still here.
It doesn't really matter.
Bisten, this is exactly the same place that she brought me in the
Are you
dream.
serious?
Yes.
Hey, and here is fine, no.
This is the same table we're sitting on. She was sitting there and I was sitting here.
Hey, that means this your vision is going to come true.
Are you guys okay?
We are fine. We are just excited.
Don't mind us, we are good.
Waiter!
Bisten, this is exactly the same waiter that served us in the dream.
Are you serious?
Yes, now.
This is a new vision.
You guys seem really excited.
Yes,
We are
we're
happy
happy
people.
Watch now. She's going to order for jollof rice and chicken.
Are you sure?
Yes, just watch.
Do you have jollof rice and chicken?
You are right, though.
Okay, let me have a plate of jollof rice and chicken.
Okay.
What will you have?
Jollof rice and chicken too.
Jollof rice and chicken too.
What will you drink?
1 liter of exotic.
1 liter of exotic for me too.
Okay.
K Brown, we share your own.
No, order your own. She will pay.
1 liter of exotic for me too.
Okay, thank you.
Oh yeah.
Eat up. Their food here is very nice.
How did you know? Have you been here before?
Not really, but it feels like I've been here before. I'm very glad that you brought us here.
You that forgot me. If I hadn't come, would you be here?
It's not like that. A lot of things that man is thinking, but I still have you at heart.
See, you have to be coming to the house every time, so we'll be coming here too.
Exactly.
This food is sweet.
Oh my God, I'm sorry. I didn't tell you.
Don't worry, I know. You're going to see someone.
How do you know?
See, he's gifted.
Exactly.
I'm so sorry. I really have to leave you guys now.
Okay, don't worry. Let me call the waiters to bring our bill before you leave.
Right.
Waiter, come. How much is the bill?
Your bill is 45,000.
45,000.
Don't worry, she's going to pay. Give her the account number. Have you paid?
No?
But you're supposed to pay.
How? You take a lady out and she pays for her food? Really? That's not done in this part of the world.
But you paid.
When? How?
Hey, God, I'm finished.
You know what? I really have to go. I'm running late already. I'll see you guys some other time. I'll call you. Bye.
Okay, Brown. I didn't lock the door of my house. I think I have to go back and lock the door very well. I'm coming.
No, but stand, sit down here. You're not going anywhere. You're not going anywhere. We're going to stay here and sort this thing out together.
How? Are you not the one that had the dream?
Are you not the one that told me that it is vision?
But I was not involved in the
We're
dream.
going to stay here and sort this thing out together. How much do you have?
Yeah, Brown. I told you. I told you I didn't want to go for this thing, but you're busy forcing me.
I want you. I want you. It's not that it's telling me that it is vision. It is vision. With your stupid native sense.
I agree. What about you, Vision Bearer? Vision 2020, rubbish.
Mark, you must buy me my phone today.
I can't break
You must buy me my phone today.
I can't break it.
Mark, give me my phone today.
You will give me your.
We die here. You must give me my phone today.
You will give me
You
your.
must give my phone what? Today.
It's not me that sent me your.
Mark, listen, I don't care how you want to see, but
Listen.
today, you must give me my phone. If you like sell all the land you have in your village, you must give me.
See how you're holding your fellow man on the neck.
I will beat you here.
Give me one.
Wait. What's happening here?
Leave it too.
Leave him. You
Come on,
take
leave
shit.
him.
Just wait.
Let me slap his
Oh,
eye.
you have strength now, Abi. You are showing yourself now, Abi.
Wait.
You are showing yourself
They're
now,
holding you.
Abi.
Yeah, they like this.
Tell him to give my phone. Tell him to give my phone.
They're holding you. Yeah, they like this. They like this.
Tell Mark to give me my phone now.
Mark, what happened?
What's the
Nonsense.
problem?
I was on my own, oh. I did not call him, oh. I was coming out from my house. I wanted to make call. Hello? Oga Ben. Good afternoon, sir. Oga Ben. See, hunger is killing me here, oh. Me, I have not eaten since morning. Even Emanuella herself have leave house. She have go to one auntie house and be staying. Hungry is killing. Oga Ben, please. Can you just send me small thing? Let me use and chop. Okay, I will send it now. I will send it. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank God. Hi. Hello? Sorry, I will send it. See, my phone is just hanging. I don't know what is doing it. I'm trying to send the message and the phone is hanging. I will send it. Okay, sir. What kind of witch is this one? Hello? Oga, sorry. Is I'm trying to send it. The phone is doing me winch. It's not doing. It's hanging. Hey, who? Please, I'm so. Please, nah. Please. Hey. I think you see what you have caused now. I will just carry this phone now.
Hey, Mark. Give me. What is it?
Look at this phone. Oh. I'm trying to use it and send account number to somebody so that the person will send me money that I will use and chop. The phone now start doing winch. The phone now is not hanging. It now have make me now. I have lose money that somebody is supposed to give me, let me use and chop.
Wait. So what do you want to do?
I want to destroy this phone.
No. You don't have to destroy your phone. You can use mine. No, it's not a problem. You can use mine.
I don't want to enter trouble.
No, it's fine. I'm offering you. You can use mine.
This your phone is fine.
Yes, it's fine. Use it.
This phone. This idiot. Give me. I lost money. That I supposed to use a job. I use it my money. Idiot. Thank you.
Mark, my phone.
And I break his phone.
Hey! Mark! Just go do my phone. Look at my phone. Mark! Just look at my phone. My Samsung Galaxy. My machine. Samsung Galaxy.
Bring out my phone. I want to use my phone and break on the ground. And I say no, that I should not use my phone and I should use his own.
Hey! Liar! I said use it and send text message, oh. Are you okay?
Don't let him go free. People should beat him.
Don't you know this phone is expensive?
Leave him.
Why will I leave him?
Mark, come.
Rubbish.
Come.
Imagine.
Come.
Flawless victory.
Is he dead? No. But he's not breathing.
Don't worry. He'll wake up and buy the phone.